up, guys? Here finally in the Acura NSX with my instructor here. Name's Hanson, so enjoy.
All right. So just remember all that power you got, 650 horses.
Yep. So
we're
no
going
need
to
to
go ahead
shift
and roll out, turn to the left. I'll be watching the mirrors for you.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I can't wait to drive this. It's going to feel like a Tesla on steroids.
Right. We're going to go to the wall, turn left if you've never been here before.
Yep, first time doing this, so.
Yeah, it's pretty, it's got a lot of elevation changes that can kind
that'll
of
be
get you
exciting.
tripping. So we're going to stop here and we're going to wait for some traffic to go by. We're going to roll up to the two blue cones and wait there. So
okay.
Pull your wheels right there. When we first take off, we're going to aim right for that green cone.
Sure. Yeah, I got to use, you're going to help me direct where to go.
Yes.
Please check my shoulders.
So roll into the gas.
Okay.
Nice. Bring back to the left side and go straight line to the green cone in front of you.
Sure. I got to say, it's awesome. This thing has noise.
Yeah. We're going to go all the way out to the green, bring it back to the green cones, and then kind of roll to the outside and unwind that steering wheel. Sure. Now you go ahead and roll into that gas.
Oh yeah. I didn't know electric would have a lot of balls to it. It's awesome.
You got both. 200 horsepower motors plus an engine.
Right.
To the left side, stay left all the way to that cone. And now just kind of come off the gas, let it coast down all the way to the green cone on the right side. Stay nice and tight to it. As you come out, you'll head to the left side. And now we're going to brake, stay left, wait for that green cone. And now nice and tight to the inside, stay tight. And roll into the gas, bring it back to the right side. You're going to see a cone coming up on the right. Get next to it, and then bring it back to the left side. Stay tight left. Little elevation change here, all the way to the green one on the left.
Yeah, the handling on this is magnificent.
And a little brake here, tight to the inside. Stay right next to that green cone. And roll back into the gas. To your green cone on the right. Back to the left side, straight to the green one on that left side. You want to stay outside, but you're good. Stay inside now. Committed to it. And hit the gas. And brake, stay left. We're going to stay left and let this Lamborghini pass us, okay? He's going to go to the bottom. Don't stop, just keep going. Back to the bottom.
I was like, I don't want to keep going straight.
All the way to the left side. Brake, wait for that cone. Tight to the inside. Wait for it, see how it pushes out on you?
Yep.
Back to your right side. Get to that cone, back to the left side. And down to the green. Inside. Get a little tighter to the green cone. Stay right. Brake. Left. Straight line. Off the brake. Just brake enough to get the nose down. Out to that green one. You gotta get to that green one. Back to the green again. Keep your eyes focused a little further ahead. You'll get those cones. Tight. Roll to that outside left. Brake, stay left. Good. All the way to the green. Let it kind of come out for you. Bring it back to the right side. Get to your green one on the right. Now back to the left. There you go. Roll into the gas, down to the green. All the way tight to the inside. Come off that brake, roll back into the gas, nice smooth acceleration. Now start accelerating more. There you go. Into your green one. Little brake, now off the brake, straight through. Off the brake, right to the green one. All the way to it. There you go, bring it in, and then head outside. Unwind that steering wheel, get to the left. There you go, now hit it. Nice and tight. Wait for it. There you go. Brake here. Stay left. Alright. Just coast. Stay tight. Staying tighter. tight. Back to the gas. Stay left, wait for it. Now coast, turn inside. Wait for that gas, get it straightened out first. Now into the gas.
Yeah.
Off the brake, coast, straight through. Right to your green one on the left. Now just let it float. Off the brake, let it turn in. Now more gas. Go, go, go. Oops. And then stay left, wait for your cone. Start looking up ahead. Look through your corner. Look all the way through it. Stay left. All the way inside. Wait for that gas. Turn in tighter. And your green one. All the way to your left side. And this time, my friend, we'll be jumping off the track up here on the left side.
Okay.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah, thank you. Pretty quick when you go through it.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, it's got that GTR.
Yeah. You would have got him for sure.
Yeah, that's what these things are. It's just like go, go, go. Cool. So anyways,
Yeah, we'll go right back to where we started and
yeah, just go ahead and give me a quick reminder. I don't know. Well, the GTR is out, so it's alright. Yeah, I gotta say, definitely quick heart pounding.
yeah.
Heart pulse. Alright, so just go ahead around and then
Yeah, we'll just park next to the green one.
the Mercedes. Sounds good. Yeah, I appreciate it. It's just
Yeah.
basically, you can tell I have a little bit awkward ways, like keep going around the corner as tight as you can, so.
Yeah, it's just the only thing I would say is just, you know, if you were looking a little bit more further ahead, that would have got you a little bit closer to the
Oh, yeah,
cone.
totally,
Stuff like
so.
that. But you did great, man.
Yeah, thank
That's
you.
cool.